Paraguay's air power is defined by more than combat aircraft. Its aviation fleet includes light attack aircraft, surveillance planes, transport aircraft, trainers, helicopters, and locally developed drones. This is every Paraguayan aircraft explained. First up, combat and light attack aircraft. Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano. This Brazilian-built turboprop light attack aircraft is Paraguay's newest combat platform. Powered by a 1,600 horsepower engine, it reaches about 590 kilometers per hour and carries machine guns, rockets, bombs, and precision-guided weapons. 6 aircraft entered service beginning in 2025, replacing the older Tucano fleet as the Paraguayan Air Force's primary aircraft for airspace patrol and counter-narcotics operations. Embraer EMB 312 Tucano. This Brazilian turboprop trainer also serves as a light attack aircraft in Paraguayan service. Introduced in 1987, it cruises at around 458 kilometers per hour and has a range exceeding 1,900 kilometers. The current fleet of 6 aircraft has received modern Garmin avionics through a domestic modernization program, allowing the aircraft to continue supporting pilot training, close air support, and national security missions. Next up, reconnaissance and surveillance aircraft. Diamond DA-62 MPP. This Austrian-built twin-engine special mission aircraft provides Paraguay with modern intelligence, surveillance, and search and rescue capability. Equipped with 2 diesel engines, it cruises at approximately 333 kilometers per hour and can fly more than 2,300 kilometers with auxiliary fuel. Its modular mission systems support electro-optical sensors, infrared cameras, radar, and other surveillance equipment, making it an important platform for border monitoring, aerial mapping, and humanitarian operations. Continuing with transport and utility aircraft. Cessna 680 Citation Sovereign. This twin-engine business jet serves as Paraguay's dedicated VIP transport aircraft. Cruising at approximately 830 kilometers per hour with a range of nearly 4,800 kilometers, it carries government officials on domestic and international missions. Donated by Taiwan in 2019, the aircraft restored the Paraguayan Air Force's dedicated presidential air transport capability after nearly 2 decades. Beechcraft Super King Air. This twin-turboprop aircraft performs both VIP transport and surveillance duties for the Paraguayan Air Force. The fleet includes B300 and C90 variants, offering reliable performance, flexible cabin configurations, and efficient operation. These aircraft support executive transportation, aerial observation, personnel movement, and other utility missions throughout the country. Airbus Casa C212 Aviacar. This Spanish-built twin-engine ESTAL transport aircraft is one of Paraguay's primary tactical airlifters. The current fleet includes C212-200 and C212-400 variants capable of carrying troops, cargo, medical patients, or paratroopers. Their short takeoff and landing performance allows operations from remote airstrips while supporting military transport, humanitarian assistance, medical evacuation, and domestic regional flights. De Havilland Canada DHC-6 Twin Otter. This rugged twin-turboprop utility aircraft specializes in short takeoff and landing operations from challenging airfields. Paraguay operates the DHC-6-200 variant for cargo transport, passenger movement, and medical evacuation missions. Its dependable ESTAL capability allows access to remote regions where larger transport aircraft cannot operate efficiently. Cessna 208 Grand Caravan. This single-engine turboprop utility aircraft provides versatile transport across Paraguay. The fleet includes both Grand Caravan and Grand Caravan X variants capable of carrying passengers, cargo, or medical equipment. 2 additional aircraft entered service in 2021, expanding the fleet to 5 and strengthening the Air Force's regional transport and humanitarian support capabilities. Next up, trainer aircraft. Enair T-35 Pilon. This Chilean-built piston trainer has prepared Paraguayan military pilots since 1992. Powered by a 300-horsepower Lycoming engine, it provides reliable handling for basic flight instruction and advanced pilot development. The fleet of 12 aircraft has undergone a modernization program with upgraded Garmin avionics, extending operational service while improving navigation, training efficiency, and pilot transition to more capable aircraft. Beechcraft Baron B-58. This American-built twin-engine piston aircraft supports pilot training and utility missions within the Paraguayan Air Force. Seating up to 6 people, it provides multi-engine flight instruction while also performing liaison and personnel transport duties. Its dependable performance and straightforward operation make it an effective platform for developing pilot proficiency before progressing to larger transport or military aircraft. Continuing with unmanned aerial vehicles. Aerovehicles PY-MBOPI. This locally developed Paraguayan unmanned aerial vehicle represents the country's growing domestic aerospace capability. Designed by Aerovehicles Paraguay SA, the Class 3 drone supports surveillance and reconnaissance missions, with potential for light attack configurations. First presented in 2022, it became part of an institutional cooperation program with the Paraguayan Air Force, supporting border monitoring, technology development, and future indigenous unmanned aviation projects. Next up, helicopters. Bell UH-1H Huey. This American-built utility helicopter has served as the backbone of Paraguay's rotary-wing fleet for decades. Operated by the Aerial Helicopter Group, the fleet of 12 aircraft performs troop transport, cargo delivery, medical evacuation, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions. Most airframes originated from Taiwan, with additional donated helicopters expected to further strengthen the Paraguayan Air Force's operational capability. Airbus H125 AS350 Écureuil. This French-designed, Brazilian-built light utility helicopter performs transport, reconnaissance, and light attack missions. Powered by a single turboshaft engine, it can be equipped with 70mm rockets and machine gun or cannon pods when required. Paraguay operates several aircraft that provide flexible support for security operations, aerial patrols, and rapid response missions. Bell 427. This twin-engine light helicopter serves primarily as Paraguay's presidential and VIP transport aircraft. Donated by Taiwan in 2011, it also supports medical evacuation and government transport missions. Its twin-engine configuration provides additional safety and reliability while allowing the Paraguayan Air Force to conduct executive travel and emergency response operations with a dedicated rotary-wing platform. Bell 407 GZI. This modern single-engine helicopter supports government transport, VIP travel, and medical evacuation duties. Powered by a Rolls-Royce M250C47E4 turboshaft engine with dual-channel FADEC, it offers improved performance, efficiency, and operational flexibility. The Bell 407 GZI complements Paraguay's helicopter fleet by providing dependable transport capability for official missions and emergency medical operations.